Bump. More bumps. I mean, we do know this road like the back of our hands. Probably still a good idea, just a reminder. Oh yeah, did I mention I'm not alone today? Julie's got to check her bouncies apparently. I've had a look, they seem to be bouncing. Oh, yeah, right, okay. She meant the audio meter on the mic. Yeah, I've misunderstood there, haven't I?
No idea if my sound's working because I couldn't check the bouncing lights. What are we, a mile from home, 2 miles from home? And it's raining already.
We are going to get rained on today. That is for sure. It is sort of drizzling right now, but it's only little blobs, big gaps in between them, so it's not so bad. But Julie wants to put a raincoat on, so we'll get under the trees here and she can put her raincoat on.
Good afternoon. Got it right. Wheelers at large. We're out again.
You can guarantee that Julie's going to get good afternoon right, because whereas I'm a sort of get up and get at it kind of guy, Julie's favourite recent purchase is blackout curtains.
They're good though.
Well, yes, I mean, I think it was 10 to 12 today, wasn't it?
Something like that.
Oh, what's that?
Oh dear, that's quite big.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
I don't want to lose too much sealant to that.
No,
I don't
plug
care
it.
Don't care about the air. But if I run out of sealant, that's the end of that.
Yeah, doing a plug.
I am. That's got a difficult bit, that, isn't it?
Is it?
It's getting soft. Let's leave some sealant at the bottom there for a minute. There it is. Get some air in it. Chance to use the CYCPlus. Link in the description. Right, start at 40.
So you did it a little bit.
Yeah,
See if it seals.
See if it was sealed, it looks like it was.
So you can do a little bit more now.
Turn it up a little bit.
Turn it up a little bit.
Right, I'm going to go with 50 for the moment, and if that stays up, I'll put a bit more in a minute.
We were sent it to try.
The only experience we'd had of this type of thing up till now was MBH's Thumper, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's Thumper.
And that did like 1.5 tyres, and then the battery
Yeah,
was flat, and it was a bit heavy and
dead.
bulky. But this isn't that. I guess everything gets better, doesn't it, gradually?
Yeah, it does. Except us that gets older. Actually, today I feel really energetic. Do you think he'll go through the ford? He is.
Oh, it's not too bad then. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Got a little bit in it. KFC.
And then we'll head back, yeah? Or we'll go to McDonald's for coffee.
I was looking forward to my peanut butter yoghurt
Yes, but we're
delight.
not going to Lymington now.
Yeah, they do a fruit yoghurt, peanut butter. Oh, it was lovely. I was hoping to have that. But never mind, it's not going to happen today. What he was indicating for. I think he thought it was this bit. Maybe that fence wasn't always there. No, that fence wasn't always there, was it?
Oh, that's a fish and chip shop. Yeah, nowhere to get inside though.
Well, at least we would have had a ride, not necessarily very far.
No, it was true.
I feel that much more energetic than last week when we were riding with the group.
You didn't do too bad in the group.
No, I did really well, but I feel much better this week.
Yeah, good.
Oh, it is. It's
But that's okay. We'll just call it urban cyclocross. There we go. Yeah, I know. If I was on my gravel bike, I probably would have done. I still have fears of this carbon fibre frame just folding up underneath me. See, I take it to all the best places.
Need any more air?
No, it's looking good actually. Yeah, happy with that.
Ew. I think when you stop, get warm, knowing you have to come out again and get wet. Ugh. Although I've got more energy, I'm still sleeping a lot. I think that's because your body is recovering, and it's doing a good job of recovering, so I'm quite pleased with that. Camera keeps flopping down. This person wants to get past. Oh, for goodness sake. Stupid person.
I wonder why my brakes are squeaking and yours aren't.
I'm glad mine aren't squeaking, but they're not. Definitely just Mike's. Well, this is definitely what you call wet. Not moist or damp. This is soaking wet. Mike, you've got a bit of wet on the back of you.
Oh, have I?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. I start my next round on Friday of next week. So I've got another full 7 days before I have to think about chemo again. Yeah, they took me off chemo when I was in hospital, the chemo tablets. So I've only had the infusion really and the tablets for a couple of days that made me unwell. So I'm glad not to be on those. Did you say that was a bit quieter?
Yeah, this is much quieter, much nicer.
Yeah, without your brakes working, yeah.
Oh, stop it. You know you'll have the rim brake brigade onto me in the comments.
That's true. If you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching us. Click the like button and join us for the next one.
Let's hope that Julie's next return to riding video is not this way.
I hope so too. Did you use them?